Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Binance. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in binance.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Binance. Just log in using your email address and your password. And now, in order to change your phone number, just scroll over to your account icon at the top right section. Now click on Security. This will now take you into your security settings page, which will show you all of your credentials, including your email address and your phone number. Now, alongside the phone number section, you will see the Manage button. Just click on it, and from there you will either be able to add a phone number or change your existing one. So just click on Add Phone Number or Change Phone Number, and then you will be asked to verify your identity. Simply click on Get Code and then check your inbox for the verification code. Just copy this code and paste it in the verification box. And now you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on Get Code once again. You will then receive a verification code on your cell phone. Just type in your verification code and click on the Submit button, and now your phone number will be changed on Binance. If you wish to change it again, you can simply click on the Edit button and then click on Continue to change your phone number if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to change your phone number on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.